Hello friends, so today I'm gonna show you guys how you can repair an emergency light that looks like this. So you can see here uh, there are six LED lights, and these lights are powered by two lithium ion batteries. Lithium ion means that 18650 type lithium ion batteries. So you can see the motion sensor is here, and here you can see the power button. So first what you have to do is you have to loosen the screws in these places. There are six screws in here. So so I have already loosened those screws, and you have to open this gently. Okay. Okay, like this you can loosen the screws. The problem that I had in this emergency light is this isn't solar emergency light. So during the daytime, through the solar panel, these rechargeable batteries have to charge, and during the night I can use this six LEDs to lighten up my desired place. So the problem that I had was when I switch on the emergency light, it blinks for a second and switches off without maintaining the brightness. So I checked this circuit, and I find out there is no any fault in this circuit board. So then I checked the lithium ion batteries. There was the fault, and the fault was the lithium ion batteries are already dead. That means usually this lithium ion battery is supposed to have a voltage between 3.7 volts and 4.2 volts. So that is the range that we can use these lithium ion batteries. If any battery is having voltage less than 3.7 volts, then that means that battery is dead. There are some ways to uh, uh, revive those dead batteries, but for this video that's not the point. So if any battery is less than 3.7 volts, then you have to replace those batteries. So the easiest way is replace replace this circuit with two lithium ion batteries. So that is the thing what I have done also, because reviving those dead batteries took time, and it's little bit tedious work rather than replacing these batteries, and also these batteries are not very much expensive. So simply you can desolder these two ends and connect two lithium ion batteries, and you can use this emergency light as previously. So when connecting the lithium ion batteries, you can refer the previous dead batteries for reference also. So you can connect the batteries as same as to those batteries. So it's a very simple process. So that's it for this video, friends. So let's meet with another good video.